So today we're going to be making water art, as the title says. So you need paper towel. You don't need an entire roll, you just need some paper towel. You need a bowl full of water. You need some glass. I like to use empty furikake cans, or some people like to call it rice seasoning, or ceramic. If you have ceramic with you, that's good. I like to use this ceramic spoon I have. And you need whiteboard markers, and that's all you need. But so get your surface. Make sure it's dry before you take your whiteboard marker. So which one should we use? I think we should use orange. So draw what you want. I'm gonna draw, see, a heart, maybe. Try not to go over it too many times, because that just erases it. Not erases the entire thing, but erases the part that you went over. Make sure it's dry before you put it in. Like, wait a few seconds. I like to blow on it. Like 3 to 5 seconds. If you look at it carefully, yeah, it looks dry. I'll do the glass one later. And then you gently put it in the water. If it doesn't go the first time, you like dip it in again. Then you take it out and then dip it in. Make sure you pull it away slowly. Boom, it's in the water. Look, I can stick my finger below that. It's floating. See? And then, if you want to pick that back up and put it like on the back of your hand or something, you make sure your surface is wet this time, not dry. You put it on there, see? Mostly solid. And then, like, you gently do that, and boom, it's on your skin. Some of you might be thinking, what's the difference between just drawing it on there? It's cooler. It's so much cooler than just drawing it on there. So, like, let me show you that. And if you don't want that on there, just take a paper towel. Just, like, wipe it off just like that. And then that's basically all you need. I mean, I guess paper towels are optional, but yeah, make sure to like and subscribe, and I think that'll be it for today. Bye.